3, 2, 1. Welcome to my London life. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Diandra, and today I'm going to head out with a friend and I'm going to have brunch at a rooftop garden. Today's outfit is this black bucket hat and then some loose cargo pants.
Been told to wait at this bus stop for a short time.
like whoa 띵하고 어지러워 I see 한여름에 던 겨울 Yeah, yeah 너와 있을 때 I swear 제가 원더 zero 폭설한 그 children 꿈에도 I wasn't aware 나만 빼고 너무 두에게 참 시절해 내 시간대로 다
Literally.
승부욕을 자극하는 스타일 알면서도 마음이 자꾸 내게 가 안만 빠져버릴까 If you want me back I'll tell you I'm sorry If you want me back I'll tell you stop
Today I'm going to do a mini Trader Joe's haul. First thing on the list is this Trader Joe's bag. It looks like a paper bag, but actually it's a recyclable bag and it's waterproof. Even cooler is that you can wash this. Inside this bag, some white truffle potato chips, some truffle aioli, 2 types of seasoning. I have the classic everything bagel seasoning, mushroom umami blend. And these aren't from Trader Joe's, but they're also must-have from the United States if you're ever visiting. Flaming Hot Cheetos Baby Ruth chocolate bars. Those are some of the things that my sister got for me from when she was in the States, and I can't wait to try them. For lunch today, I'm going to have some avocado toast using the Everything Bagel seasoning from Trader Joe's. It's actually so good. There is sesame seeds, dried garlic, dried onions, and sea salt within the Everything Bagel seasoning, and it just goes on avocado so well. Definitely recommend. I recently bought some stuff from LookFantastic, and I also got a holiday beauty bundle bag as a gift. So this was apparently sold for £50, but I'm just going to share with you all the products that I got. First off, instead of a usual box, it just came in this canvas bag, which I am not really loving because it feels kind of flimsy. In terms of the products, Urban Apothecary Hand Soap, Elizabeth Arden Daily Serum, a Philip Kingsley Hair Mask, an EcoTools Blending Brush, a Wet n Wild 10 Color Palette, an Elemis Glow Priming Moisturizer, Avant Cleansing Gel, Comfort Zone Renite Cream, St. Tropez Bronzing Mist, Christopher Robinson Face Mask, Emma Hardy Face Mask, Purito Face Cream, This Works Hyaluronic Serum, a Spotlight Pearl Pencil, Brazilian Bum Cream, Bondi Sands Highlighting Cream, some FPF Lip Balm, and then lastly, from Giorgio Armani, some foundation samples. So those were all the items that were included in the holiday beauty bundle. I am pretty excited to try out all these products, but I wouldn't say that I could recommend actually getting it because £50 for this doesn't feel that worth it, especially since it's all sample. But if you want to try it out, why not? Today I'm going to be heading to an Ed Sheeran concert in Wembley Stadium. I'm going to be eating dinner at home first, and I'm going to be heading to the stadium. For dinner, I have some stir-fried udon.
Better here with like all that. Yeah! Oh, I am so excited. Hello! We're inside!
hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, drop me a comment down below. Remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and thank you again for watching my video until the end. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!